A good harvest requires regular investment. Producers of fertilizers and pesticides offer better options for increasing agricultural productivity. What we are seeing is an abundance of active substances, both new and complex application patterns, and of course, unique formulas as well. Modern farmers have dozens of solutions in their arsenal to make sure the soil is nourished, the plants can grow, and that they can be protected from parasites, weeds, and diseases. Any errors in application may be detrimental to the harvest. Overuse of agrochemicals eventually depletes the soil and causes pollution, which in turn affects the crops. It's time to get back to basics. This is the soil treatment solution called Relict. Relict is eco-friendly and safe. Its composition is created from the activative salts of humic and fulvic acids. This solution is fully organic. Relict was created in collaboration with scientists from Akademgorodoc in Novosibirsk. The solution has no synthetic or harmful elements in its composition. It is produced with the leonardite coal sourced in the Kansk-Achinsk basin. That particular coal is the result of the biosynthesis of ancient microorganisms. The source of this brown coal is unique. It is taken from deposits in the heart of Siberia. Relict has a unique composition, which contains a large amount of biologically active forms of humic compounds. All the component materials which go into Relict go through several quality control stages. Our solution, which was developed in the heart of Siberia, can be applied to all kinds of soils in all kinds of geological locations. Relict is safe for the environment, animals, and people. Relict is suitable for large and medium producers as well as small personal plots. It increases the natural harvest in an eco-friendly way. It reduces the amount of heavy metals in the soil. It also increases the fertility of the soil treated. Humic acids improve the structure and several other parameters of the soil. Heavy clay soils become looser, and light sandy soils retain moisture better. Relict triggers natural mechanisms in growing plants, which in turn increases the energy of their growth as well as the strength of their roots. Relict helps plants cope with stress, ingest correct mineral fertilizers, and take the hard-to-reach elements they need from the soil. Because of Relict, crop yields are increasing and the taste of fresh-grown produce is improving. Herbicide toxicity in crops is reduced. The effectiveness of Relict is documented by a number of scientific institutes, with practical application tests having been made together by agricultural establishments in Russia, China, Italy, Spain, and Serbia. The farms which have used Relict have noticed better harvests in wheat, corn, sunflower, and barley, as well as with many other crops. Relict increases the quality of grain as well as its size. Tests have shown better integration and growth in strawberry seedlings. The size of fruits has increased too. We could see this with nectarines, lemons, oranges, bananas, and watermelons. Grapes became larger and delivered a greater yield. Potatoes and vegetables showed identical positive development. With systematic usage of Relict, together with an individual approach to each kind of produce, you can increase productivity and yield up to 50%. It also improves the quality of the harvest and the fertility of the soil. We stand for green, eco-friendly farming. Our aim is to achieve great results with no harm done to nature. Using Relict, your profit will grow within just 1 year of use.